12 Longshore Drive, we've got a hidden gem here. As you can see, it's tucked into this beautiful landscape. You have a lot of the natural mountain laurel as you come into the home, which I love. You get a lot of the, the Fraser firs. You got the pine trees that you'll see in here, the Leland cypresses, those type of things. So you got this great feeling of kind of like a mountain lake getaway as you come into this house. You've got a 2-car parking, I guess you call it a garage, but it's not an enclosed garage here. The house on the outside is cement planks, hardy board, got a little bit of stone. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, approximately 2,800 square feet. You've got 2 screen porches, one of them off the side here, right off the master bedroom, another one around back, and then you've got a beautiful, it's almost nature trail-like trail going down the side of the house that'll take you down to the dock area. So again, great setting, very open plan, a lot of raised ceilings. We've got bonus rooms, dining rooms, all the things that you need, and again, a very easy walk getting down to the water. So let's head on inside the house. We're going to check out the layout, and then we'll get down to the dock and show you that. Also, one other thing, as you can see, you've got a great front porch area, shaded, just a really nice place just to hang out and maybe have a morning coffee. Let's head on in and take a look. As we talked about, raised ceilings makes the room feel certainly very large, very open. You've got a gas fireplace here, which is propane. I love the natural hearth that they've got here, the beautiful hardwood floors, kind of a wide board knotty pine. Soft stone countertops in the kitchen. Very nice hard surface. You actually had those in my lake house as well. And then you've got the first screen porch right here off the back. They've got it's a wraparound, so you got a lot of space here. They've even got a nice table you can utilize for extra guests, or you just want to get outside and enjoy the outside area. Again, I love just the feel of this property. Hearing the birds sing, all the nice hardwood trees, and just the look back there. Take a quick step out here to the back deck where they've got the grill. And you see you got a nice crushed stone path with the cross ties that'll take you right down to the dock area. And again, it's such an easy walk, so just very nice area. Let's head back inside. We'll check out the kitchen and the dining room. Dining room area here, hardwood floors as well. Again, we talked about the kitchen. Got stainless steel appliances with the exception of the dishwasher. I think the cabinets kind of give you that country effect. Master bedroom over here off to the left. Again, the hardwood floors. You also have access to the back deck here, and then the master also has its own private porch, screened in area, which you'll see here. A nice ceiling fan. You just want to read a book and just get out here and enjoy the outside area again. What a great place to do it. On into the bathroom. Double sink, hard surface, countertops, shower, walk-in closet towards the back here, tile floors, private commode area, and again, nice walk-in closet area too. Alright, let's head upstairs. We've got a couple bedrooms up there that we're going to take a look at. But before we do that, come in here, I want to show you 2 more things on this level. The pantry area off the kitchen, and then you've got the half bath here as well. So nice access coming in to get from your car right through the little hallway right into the kitchen with the groceries and things like that. Alright, let's head on upstairs. Got a great shot upstairs. Looking down, got a little area up here. You could actually put a little desk up here if you needed to. Large bathroom, tub shower combo with double sinks for the guest or maybe the kids. A couple good sized bedrooms up here as well. You'll see smooth ceilings, ceiling fans. Nice closet area. Also have attic storage space here that you can access off of this room. And again, closet area here. And then nice view out of the back of the house too. So a lot of space. Alright, let's head down to the basement. Check out all that room down there. Alright, come downstairs. Again, nice room here. What I love about this setup is you got two rooms here. I think as they have it kind of set up, you got a TV room that you could certainly put a TV above the fireplace here if you want to do a flat screen. You do have the gas fireplace, propane that you can see there. But what was kind of neat is that you have another kind of addition to the bonus room where you could put a gaming table in here, whether it be a pool table, ping pong table, foosball, anything like that. So that's kind of neat. You could even have a bar, as they've kind of already got that set up. And then if you look in here, you've got some more storage space. You got the heat pump unit, which you can see is a train, and then we also have an extra refrigerator that is going to be staying with the home. One other thing I want to mention about this house is that you can also, purchase the majority of the furniture. It is negotiable with the home. The fourth bedroom down here in the basement, again, large, nice sized bedroom. View out of the back of the house. It has its own full bath, tub shower combo with tile floors. And then also, just off the little hall, we've got the laundry room. Nice sized laundry room. Also has a sink as well. And one thing I wanted to point out again, you noticed upstairs in the other bedroom there was also another attic storage area as well. So let's head out here. We'll check out this. You've got a lower patio area here. Nice little table out here. They've even got, as you'll see over here, a shower for the outside coming up off the lake if you want to spray off. Great spot for that before you enter the house. Alright, let's head down the trail and we'll go check out the dock. Alright, come down here. I love the street light look down here. They also have water, as you can see, so you can wash off the boat. Just attach your hose and get over here and clean it up. Your nice protected cove here. Even have a storage box. And you can see over there they've got a place where they've got the kayaks set up as well, because you got a nice launch area to get into the water very easily. You got a ladder over here to get in and out of the lake as well, and again a protected swim area. As you can see, you can certainly tie up your pontoon boat or jet skis or whatever watercraft you may have, and to get out to the lake you just pull right out of this cove and you're right out on the main lake. So great location here, and certainly a wonderful house. Look back up through the trees, you can see the house. Again, beautiful privacy, and what I love, got all this gorgeous mountain laurel that will be blooming right around the 1st of June every year, and it is a gorgeous sight. Looks like a park in here. If you have any interest in this one, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video.
you.